Hydantis hates p square. Let's learn drug affecting factors. ड्रग डोजेज वो अमाउंट ऑफ ड्रग जो कि एक पर्टिकुलर एक्शन प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए चाहिए, वो डिपेंड करती है पोटेंसी पर, डैट इज कंसंट्रेशन जो टारगेट साइट पर होती है, जिस कारण वो फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शन प्रोड्यूस होगा, एंड इट्स फार्माकोकाइनेटिक कैरेक्टर्स. स्ट्रेटजीज स्टैंडर्ड डोज that is appropriate for most individuals and its individual variation is minimum or the drug has wide safety margins. Example, oral contraceptives, penicillin. Regulated dose, ड्रग मॉडिफाई करता है रेगुलेटरी बॉडी फंक्शंस को, जैसे कि ब्लड प्रेशर. हम डोज को उस अकॉर्डिंगली चेंज करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, एंटी हाइपरटेंसिव, हाइपोग्लाइसीमिक्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर एक डायबिटिक पेशेंट अपनी मील स्किप कर रहा है तो वो अपनी उस टाइम की मेडिकेशन नहीं लेगा. टारगेट लेवल डोज रिस्पॉन्स ईजिली मेजर नहीं कर सकते, बट हैज़ बीन डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड टू बी ऑब्टेन एट अ सर्टेन रेंज ऑफ ड्रग कंसंट्रेशन इन प्लाज्मा. एग्जाम्पल, एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स. टाइट्रेटेड डोज मैक्सिमम थेरेपेटिक इफेक्ट पर इनटॉलरेटेबल साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स देती है. एग्जाम्पल, एंटी कैंसर ड्रग्स, कॉर्टिकोस्टीरॉइड्स. डैट्स वाई हम उसकी डोज को ऑप्टिमाइज करते हैं बाय टाइट्रेटिंग विद अ एक्सेप्टेबल लेवल ऑफ एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स. FDC फिक्स्ड डोज कॉम्बिनेशंस. लार्ज नंबर ऑफ फार्माकोलॉजिकल preparations contain 2 or more drugs in a fixed dose ratio. Advantages: convenience and accepted by patient. The therapeutic effect of the two components being the same may add up, while the side effects being different may not. The combined formulation ensures that a single drug will not be administered. It is important in treatment of tuberculosis, AIDS and falciparum malaria to eliminate chances of drug resistance or to overcome drug resistance. Disadvantages: patient may not actually need all the drugs present in a combination and he is subjected to additional side effects. Most of time dose of the drug need to be individualized, which is not possible in case of combined formulations without altering the dose of the other component. Adverse effect when it occurs cannot be easily described to a particular drug which cause it. Factors modifying drug action. A 10-mark question comes as: enumerate various factors modifying drug action. Explain various types of drug antagonists with suitable example. Body size influence करता है concentration of drug at the site of action. Average adult dose is for medium build, that is average weight of adult is taken as 70 kg. For individual dose, we divide the weight of individual with 70 and multiply it with the average adult dose. Age. Children dose is calculated by dividing the age of children by 20 and multiply it with adult dose. Children are growing and if they are susceptible to certain side effects of drugs such as suppression of growth in case of corticosteroids, and tetracycline may get deposited in the growing teeth and result in discoloration of the teeth. Gender. Female has small body size, that's why their dose should be regulated. Subjective effects of drug may differ in females because of their mental makeup. Gynecomastia only occurs in case of male as a side effect of some drugs such as metoclopramide, digitalis, etc. Ketoconazole cause loss of sexual desire in males but not in females. Certain drugs given in pregnancy can affect the fetus, which is called as teratogenicity. Species and race. Among human beings, some racial differences has been observed. For example, black require higher concentration of atropine to dilate their pupil, and beta blockers are less effective as antihypertensive in case of black people. And Indian tolerates thiacetazone, that is an drug to treat tuberculosis better than whites. Genetics. The dose of drug to produce same effect may vary by 4 to 6 folds among different individuals, and there are also differences in target organ sensitivity. Route of drug administration governs the speed and intensity of drug response. We have covered this topic in a separate video. Click on the right side to watch it. Environmental factors and time of administration. Exposure to insecticides, carcinogen and tobacco smoke are well known to induce drug metabolism. The type of diet and the relationship between the drug ingestion and meal can alter drug absorption. Time of administration. For example, if hypnotics are taken at night and in quiet, they work more easily, and corticosteroids, if taken as a single morning dose, cause less pituitary adrenal suppression. Psychological factors. Efficiency of drug can be affected by patient's belief, attitude and expectations. That's why it is said in dentistry, first the dentist should meet the patient's mind before mouth. And as alcohol generally impairs performance, but if punishment which induce anxiety is introduced, it may actually improve performance. Best example is placebo, जिसको हम मीठी गोली कह देते हैं. It is an inert substance which is given instead of actual medicine. It works by psychological rather than pharmacological means and often produce response equivalent to that of active drug. A short note comes on placebo. Placebo are used in two situations: as dummy medication, that is as a control device in clinical trial of drug, or to treat a patient जिसमें फिजिशियन को लगता है कि कोई एक्चुअल मेडिसिन की ज़रूरत नहीं है. पैथोलॉजिकल स्टेट्स. Several diseases can influence drug distribution and drug action. For example, gastrointestinal diseases will affect absorption of orally administered drug. Liver diseases will affect bioavailability and metabolism of drug. Kidney diseases will decrease creatinine clearance. Congestive heart failure. The decompressed heart is more sensitive to digitalis. Thyroid disease. Hypothyroid patients are more sensitive to digitoxin and morphine. Cumulation. Any drug will accumulate in body if rate of administration is more than rate of elimination. The slowly eliminating drug are more prone to cause cumulative toxicity. Example, prolonged use of chloroquine cause damage. Tolerance. हमारी बॉडी पर्टिकुलर डोज ऑफ ड्रग को अडेप्ट कर जाती है, और अगर हमने फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शन चाहिए तो हमें डोज इंक्रीज़ करनी होती है. उसे टॉलरेंस कहते हैं. इट कैन बी नेचुरल, एक्वायर्ड और क्रॉस टॉलरेंस. नेचुरल. इंडिविजुअल इज इनहेरिटली asensitive to drug. For example, rabbits are tolerated to atropine and black rhesus are tolerated to mydriatics. Acquired tolerance. इंडिविजुअल इनिशियली तो ड्रग को रिस्पॉन्स करता है, पर रिपीटेड डोज ऑफ ड्रग के कारण वो एसेंसिटिव हो जाता है. क्रॉस टॉलरेंस. क्लोजर द टू ड्रग्स आर, मोर कंप्लीट इज द क्रॉस टॉलरेंस बिटवीन देम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पार्शियल क्रॉस टॉलरेंस between morphine and barbiturates, but complete cross tolerance between morphine and pethidine. A short note comes on tolerance. Thanks. Make sure to share the knowledge with your friends. Keep supporting.